electric fan ka, you are my favorite number.
If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice.
I forgot. If electric fan ka, you are my favorite number.
Ikaw pa rin pala, hanap-hanap narap.
Mas mabilis yung shoulder. Number 4. Kahit wala number 4. Number 8. O, 8 daw. 8 daw. 8
Ang gift ko sa kanya is my presents.
Wow.
My presents.
Ito na nga! Yeah, dito naman yun.
What about ang yung side comments? Ang daming side comments ha. Tubig, tsaka gamot. Kasi pareho kami may phlegm.
Nag-harmony kayo sa ubo. Nag-harmony kayo sa ubo. Nag-harmony kayo sa ubo.
Answered correctly, and yet still, of course, it was masaya. Alright, so maybe we can end this program actually.
We give this award to Mikaya?
Yes! Wag!
Yes, again guys, thank you po sa mga...
Pang dry skin.
On dry skin? Dry skin ka ba?
Oo.
Buong
Guys, ang yaman na nila guys. Nakabili sila sarili nilang mundo. Na-exit na ako.
Nice!
Yes, correct!
Ni Aya!
Ano ba?
Ay, panghuli! Panghuli! Ano yun? Bading! Ang bato! Darna!
Isa lang po yung hinalikan ko dyan. Ay!
Grabe! Gusto?
Why? Why me?
Why not? It's you.
Why? Why me?
Why not? It's you.
Why? Why me?
Why not? It's you.
Bad intent. Yeah. Walang halong bola. Girl code daw.
Isa pa ang alin? Isa pa yung alin? Alin po? Gusto niyo from the top ulit tayo? Kaya. Kaya, sige na, pagbigyan niya na sila. Sige, sabay-sabay. Kaya ka ba? Kilig. Gagawin namin. Bakit?
Kung ayaw magtititigan. Kung ayaw magtititigan.
Ayaw niyo, Josie? Ba't hindi niyo pinapansin, Josie?
Extra.
Extra big.
Oh, wow.
There's no going back now once you try the sugar along. If you want to find
Everyone! Do you feel good? Siyempre naman, dahil yan si Sir Fabcon.
Live performance of Blink Twice!
naman yan. Yeah, so are you ready? Yeah. First time din ako mapanood yung Cory. Dahil nagustuhan nyo, may pa-little something kami for tonight. Watch this! Cory, watch this.
Wait lang. Kinilig ka ba doon? Yes? Kinilig ka ba doon? Kulang pa. Magpapakilig. inyong lahat.